Hey, what's up? What's up? So, today I'm gonna make a breakdown on my of my week, right? About US30, Dow Jones, DJ30, and also gold. The setup that I took, right? So, if we look on the proof here, there we go. This is 2,000 pips profits. The 18. When was the 18? I can't remember. I think it was Tuesday, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, so Tuesday, 18, took a trade on US30, 2,000 pips here. There we go, right? Stop loss was at 38.40. And then for these positions, I just break even, right? Here. But let's say it was like 120 pips stop loss to gain roughly 2,000 pips. So I think it's a good risk to reward. So let's see on the chart why I took these trades. Oh, just wait a minute. Stop. There we go. So here, US30. Yeah, I'm also currently on a sell here for US30. Yep. So, whoa. So here, 2,300 pips profits right now. But if we look at the setup on the 18, so I took a sell 18 with here. I'm just gonna replay it. Yep. So here, so for me, DJ30, I was looking for maybe a sell setup at this area here. Okay, on bigger time frame, of course, we are still bearish, right? On bigger time frame, if we look at daily, of course, we start to gain more strength, right, to the upside. But this was my zone for me to sell. Why? Because it's a demand, it's a supply zone here, right? We push it down here, came back, push it down, and then retrace and push it all the way down to here, and then we play again at this level. So for me, it would make sense if we reach again this level, we might push it down again. So if we look on smaller time frame and we look at the reaction when it gets there, right? So I'm patient. I wait for the price to get to in this area. If you reach, right? Okay, so if I look at positions of 28, okay, amazing. So reach the area, right? POI on bigger time frame, I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, and we know that we play inside. So, and don't pay attention on the green line. The green line is just my TPs on the current cell that I'm in, right? So if we look on the 5 minutes, what we see and what we understand is we push it up, retrace, right, and then push it up again. And here we see a sign of um, the price getting exhausted, right? You see it going up, retrace, going up, yeah, retrace here, push it up, retrace, push it up here, and then can't uh, go more to the upside, right? So here, sign that the price is getting exhausted, and then also sellers are starting to position themselves, and we don't have what, a higher high, right? So I was looking at this setup here, and when I'm gonna put it up one, when the price push it back up again, boom, here, I said, okay, I'm gonna position myself for a sell at this specific area, and then put my stop loss at 40. So like this, really tight stop loss, to be honest. So 12 here, stop loss SL. So it's like $12, right, of stop loss. It means 120 pips for US 30. So when it gets back up to this area, I play myself. I play, I play it. I enter in the market, right? So let's see. 28 was my highest price, right? So it reached this area, but I was able to get in at 28. So 30. It's gonna put it like that. And then stop loss was here. I'm just gonna look at the exact price. So my highest entry was 828.40. 828.40. There we go. And then stop loss 40, and find it to be 620. 620.80. There we go. Oh, so my position, right, was risk to reward of 1 to 17, almost 1 to 80. So really nice risk to reward, to be honest. So got in here, right, and then I started to push, having more position, right, like you see on the picture, right, started to get more position, and then my first TP was here, right, blue, no, TP, it's green. So there you go, boom. And then I said, okay, if it touch here again, I'm just gonna close half of my position, and then boom, we hit this area, close half of my position, and then I later run to my final TP that was 2000 pips here. And to be honest, here I didn't close my position because I was not in front of the computer at that time. But what happened next is we were able, I said, when I see the price going up here, so on 5 minutes, right? So what we understand on 5 minutes, we play in big time frame POI, right, for a sell, and then on the 5 minutes can break these highs right here, and then we push it down, we broke here these low. So for me, this movement here was potentially retracement. So we broke, potentially we retrace lower, potentially, right? And then we push it lower. So I just get my position here, and then I want to see the price going up. Boom, would make sense here for retracement. And then let's see. Boom, there we go. 2000 pips here. When it hits here, I just got out, right? Because I only had 1 hour to trade, right? So 9:30 market, stock market open, more movements, right, for US30. So and then at 10:30 I got out. Boom, 10:30 I said enough. 1 to 17 risk to reward. And then of course it went lower, lower and lower. Okay, but like I said, it is, ooh, god damn, went that low. So if I would keep my position, was 1 to 41 risk to reward if I would keep my position, right? But I close it here, and I'm grateful, right? 1 to 17 is already great. And also, like I said, I only had 1 hour to trade, to be in front of the screen and just close it and then do something else, right? So if we look at it, damn, went lower. Damn, I didn't know that. But anyways, it is what it is. I'm grateful for the gains. Oh, let me see. I'm just curious. There we go. 1 to 45 if I would keep my position. Anyways, oops. So this was for US30 Tuesday, and then I want to share with you gold, my setup on gold, because I really like the setup. So still in profits. Am I still in profits? Yep. So this would be my final TP on my current trade. Let's see what happened. I already closed some partial here for US30, but we're gonna look at the gold. Okay, I also want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. What I share with you is educational, right? And also what I experienced, right? These last week. So if we look at my position on gold here, 21st, right? October 21st, enter at 1621, stop loss 20 pips, and got out at 25, right? Partial, so 50% got out. It hit my TP1. So why I took this trade is just because if you look at the structure, right, on gold, bigger time frame. So on the daily, what we understand is here we were able to push the price up and break this level and then match this level. So for me, it was okay, we broke here this level. So if we come back to this area, let's go on the 4 hours here. If we push it down to this area, we might be able to push it up again. right? Because this confirm a demand zone. So we push it up very impulsively, right? As you can see. So buyers show up here. So potentially, if we go back to this area, potentially we can go up, right? So for me, it makes sense. And this setup would be invalidated if we go below 1610. But it doesn't mean it's my stop loss. It just means that the setup would be invalidated. But what I also understand is we are in a bearish trend for gold. So we can potentially make a lower low, right, to confirm the bearish momentum. But when I see the price here playing that zone on smaller time frame, it gave me more confirmation to get in the trade. So first step, what do you do? Higher time frame, right? POI, point of interest, and then boom, smaller time frame, right? Now I was looking at the reaction. I didn't position myself here, even if it touched the area, um, because I think I was not in front of the screen and it was like 10:30 night time, right? So this was okay. So I'm just gonna play it because there you go. Okay, so we're getting 2 mornings. It is not even. I'm gonna wait for the 21st. What time? Yeah, just gonna wait. So I like how it respect the 1620. See here, 1620 area. Let's see if we can look more. Yeah, here. 1620 area, maybe on another time frame. Yeah, I really like the 1620 area here. 30 minutes. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. So we have an imbalance here. So 1620 was for me a key area, let's say, that we could bounce back up, right? So we cover the imbalance path, we push it up, and we also in a demand zone and also in the PY, right? So let's go see 5 minutes again. So we play in that zone. I was not in yet. Okay. And then what you see is starting to consolidate here. And when I saw this, so what we understand here is we push it down, right? We grab liquidity and then we push it up. Broke this level. So for me, it was a sign. You see the buyers show up. So for me, when I saw that, I was waiting for the pullback, right? Might react in this area, right? Because we sold. And then when we reach here, potentially the price can push it down. And I was waiting for the price to push it down. 1620. Boom. And then I position myself at the 1621 in this area here. My stop loss was at 19. Was really tight stop loss, to be honest, for this setup, right? 25 was TP1, and we can potentially reach this level. I'm not gonna put the take profit because I got out of TP1, right? But anyways, here TP1 1625. So why I play this tight stop loss, it's really simple. It's just because, okay, see, so if we push it up and then we push it down here, this would be for me a pullback, right? So a pullback and then we push it up again. So that's why I said, okay, if we go lower than here, we might not be, it might not be a pullback from this area, right? So I really play it tight. I said, okay, when I see the rejection in this area, of course, on 5 minutes, I might look at 1 minute also, right, to have more precision on what happened. Wow, amazing. Boom. Grade this low, push it up, respect it, and then boom, push in myself. I said, okay, below this, uh, I might be wrong, right? So it play out in my favor. There we go. Let's see. Boom. Nice. Nice reaction. 1 minute. Boom. Got out 50%. And then let's see what happened. Push it up again. And then here, when I see that, you know, it play like this and starting to getting weaker, I just close 90% of my position, and then I break even. Okay, so let's do it like that. Let's see what happened. It's really interesting what happened after. That's why I want to share with you. Let's see on 5 minutes just to get faster, right? But I really like that the buyers trying to push it hard, right, to the upside, but sellers trying to push it down also. So here, look at here. Yeah, so I got out break even, right? But look at the price. Look, the price still respecting this area. And then what we see is this. Boom. So yeah, we skyrocket, gold skyrocket, and then my position was here. See, but it's okay, right? I preserve my capital or I make profits, so I'm very grateful for that. Of course, here was a good entry again. We play again in this zone, and then we push it up all the way up, right? All the way up to the moon. Let's see. So my position were roughly there. Let's see, just for fun, right? Here, 19. Let's say 1 to 30. Nice. Amazing. There we go. 1 to 30. So I hope you like this video, right? If you do so, you can subscribe for more coming up videos, and you can tell me on the in the comments below what is your trading style. Are you trading with indicators, or are you trading with fibs? Tell me more about your strategy. If ever you have questions, don't hesitate to comments to ask your questions in the comments below, right? And see you on the next one.